Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We have right here 2012 Ford F-150 that we'll be demonstrating on, but even if you have a different, guys, here it may be helpful video as well, because many of them will be built on the same platform. The fuse box that we'll need is the one that's located right under the hood. When you open your hood, right above the radiator fan, that's where the fuse box is located. When you open the hood, you'll be facing the fuse box that way. You have the relays here, fuses start that way, and some relays as well. Before we continue, let me explain why it's important to test fuses and relays and how you can do that. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Now, guys, another thing, those fuses could be really expensive, and relays at the parts store. We'll put a link in the description of the video below. You can see where you can buy relays and fuses at a really good price. The first fuse that we'll need to check is in the first row on top, and we'll be talking about fuse number 20, guys. So that will be, guys, if you come on the right side and you count from right to left, even if you have a missing fuse, you count it, 1, 2, 3. That will be the fuse right here, or it's the left, from left to right, the 10 fuse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 20 fuse is the first one for the transfer case control module. The next fuse that we'll need to check will be in this row right here. Okay, it will be a 5 fuse, and we are talking, guys, about fuse number 54, which is 1, 2, 3, that third fuse, guys, right here from left to right. And after that, we just have one more that we need to check, and that will be fuse number 68, will be on the very bottom row right here, and we're going to count now at 63, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's fuse number 68, that 25 fuse. These three fuses need to. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.